Ever heard of the saying, that girl? Or what is it really? And how can you become it? That girl. A lot of people have talked about it being toxic or unsafe, but what actually is it? See, in my eyes, that girl is your future self. The girl you're going to be in 20 years' time. So for me, it's more of a motivation than a toxic expectation. That's for one, where I think it's great for that girl to be spread, and that's why I think it should be easier to become that girl. And that is what this channel is now about. Lately I've been posting a lot of bullet journal videos. That's because I've been working on how I could make more that girl content. By the way, when I say that girl, I mean it like gender neutrally. I'm not going to get into all of that, but that girl counts for that boy, that person, that people's, whatever you want. And yeah, so anyways, my goal on the channel is for girls and people, specifically teens, to be able to be their best selves. If you go online and you find that girl tutorials, that girl, I don't know, anything, a lot of them are for people in university, people that just graduated, people that are like, they're not old, but they're not teens either. This channel is for the younger teens who still needs to work all their life, still needs to be able to have fun whilst being able to balance all of this new homework and revision and exams during things like GCSEs. And I'm just here to help you. So this is kind of like an introduction video to that girl, what it is, why it's useful. Pretty much my goal on this channel, because I really want to be making that girl content, and it would really help me if in the comments you can write me down some examples of what areas of your life you would like to improve, because that is all about what being that girl is about. Okay, I'm gonna have to start making a little counter in the corner of how many times I say that girl, because it's already a lot. For me, being your future self is different for everybody. You might have certain expectations of your future self, and that's that's completely okay. Sorry, I'm also watching Gilmore Girls right now. For me, it's split up into 10 categories at a stretch. Basically, I have less, but I've made it onto a list for very common things that split up. So we have school academics, looks, attitude, physical workouts, mental health, aesthetics, food, eating healthy, environment, hobbies, and stress reliefs, where you spend your free time. One of the first things you want to do for becoming your best future self is to envision your future self. Go onto Pinterest and find 50 different things. Make a Pinterest board of just your dream life, everything you want to be, and then find main categories to split that into. That's going to help you a lot to find these categories. Obviously, over the the channel, I'll be deep diving into more of these, how to become your best future self. But I've already said you need to split it into categories, and I'd also like to mention routines. This is like kind of like a random tip, but for me, at our age, scheduling can be very useful, but sometimes just very unrealistic. We don't know when we're going to eat dinner. We don't know when last second plans are going to be made, or when we just want to invite a friend over, or if we end up watching a family movie. So I find it's very important to, if you make a schedule, do it with an open mind. I usually make to-do lists, and I have an idea of what I'm going to do in the morning, evening, and round night time. And my routines I like to keep very loose, and decently short. By short, I mean it doesn't take up more than about 2 hours, because for me, if it's more than 2 hours, you're planning your whole day. So I have a morning routine and a night routine, each of them which I find really perfect. I'll obviously go into that in separate videos. I keep on saying so many things over and over again, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't work too hard. Schedules are great, but use them wisely. Okay, Pinterest is your everything. When, instead of scrolling through TikTok, I actually, for one, not to boast, have deleted it. Shock horror. Not to say that I'm not addicted with my phone, but I would like to say that an addiction to Pinterest, even though it's still online and not good for you, it is way better than an addiction to something like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. This is because there are way more things to improve yourself with, and you end up finding a lot of different ways to have fun, do things when you're bored, etc. Thank you so much for watching. I know this was really quick, didn't have too much information in it, but I just wanted to let any of my previous viewers know about kind of the shift in genre, shift in niche, even though it's not too far. And if you are new and you would like to change your future as a young person, then please stick around, because believe me, you'll enjoy it. And I do also want to let you know, I am not going to make all of this bullet journal themed. I'm sorry, that's all I've been posting lately. I just need to be concentrating and focusing more. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Don't forget to tell me about what parts of your life you'd like to improve, so that I can make videos to help you with that. See you all soon. Love you guys. Bye.